Today I'm going to show you how to put an image on the mouse pad in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your Quick Selection tool from the toolbar. And click and drag over the mouse pad to select it. With the selection active, create a new layer. Then go to Edit. And open your Fill window. Under the Contents, select 50% gray. Then press OK. Go to Select. And deselect to delete the selection. Right-click on it, and convert it to Smart Object. Let's name it, Placeholder. Select the background or subject layer. Make a copy of it, by pressing Ctrl-J. Then drag the copy, and drop it above the placeholder layer. Double-click on this, and rename it, Shadow. Now right-click on it, and convert it to Smart Object. And change the blending mode of this layer from Normal to Multiply. Go to Image. Adjustments. And open your Curves window. Let's add a point to this right corner, and then drag it down a little bit. I'll decrease the opacity all the way to 75%. Now let's make another copy of it, by pressing Ctrl-J. We'll name it, Light. And change the blending mode to Screen. Now as you can see here, that these shadows are very light. So we can adjust it, just double-click these Smart Filters, to open the Curves window again. Now let's drag this point up. And then let's add another point to this highlights area, and drag it down a little bit to the right. Press OK once you're satisfied. Decrease the opacity all the way to 50%. Select the two layers by holding down Shift key. Then right-click, and group from layers. I'm going to name this, Lights and Shadows. Then press OK. You can see here, when I turn off this group layer, the background has an effect. So we can hide or delete this effect, hold the Control key, and click on the thumbnail of the placeholder layer to make a selection. Then click on the mask icon to create a mask. Now double-click the thumbnail to place your image. In this document, you can type your text or place your design. So what I will put here is my face. Let's just go to the file. Place Embedded. And place your second image. Adjust the size and position. Hit Enter once you're satisfied. Go to Layer. And create Clipping Mask. Let's go back to the file. And save. Let's come back to our image. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.